arcade pad. Okay, so the first Mighty Bean I have is Zebra. And it will... And that's him, Zebra. And you see there are some, like, he's spitting something out. Like, he's spitting. I'm sure he's spitting. And he's making a weird face. Yeah. And he has stars. And if you didn't know, there are flies in here. And he has a star. Yeah. That's him. He's an M30. And he's number 49. If you can see, he is number 49. It's just a bit rubbed out. And he's Zebra Mighty Bean. Moose 2017. That's him. I'm Zebra! Look at me! His eyes, his ears are pretty cool. And you can hear there's a rattling sound in here. Yeah, and that's him, Zebra. Okay, so I'm gonna put him back here. Okay, next I have Disguise. I'm Disguise. Like I'm actually in a disguise. And yeah, I like the mustache they done here. And he's looking at something. And this whole bit's because I saw a woodpecker on him. And he has a camera. And he has goggles. Wait, what's he looking at? Because he can't be looking at the woodpecker. Is he looking at the set that's over there? That volcano one. Yeah, but that's him. He's like a treehouse. And then he has this bloody thing here. And then the MB, you know that stands for Mighty Beans. And he is the M140, number 13. Disguise Mighty Bean. And he's also Moose 2017. There's a camera here. Yeah, that's him, Disguise. And that was my second one. Next I have Garrison. And his eyes are rubbed out. Because, yeah, you wouldn't know what happened to that. And he's gonna eat mouses. And he's sticking his tongue out because he's gonna eat the mouses. One's so fat that he's probably gonna eat that one first. Anyway, he's probably gonna eat it last because, like, his dessert. And he's M60, number 18. Garrison Mighty Bean. Moose 2017 also. Yeah. And the shoes are rubbed out. Okay, you wouldn't know what happened to that. Yeah, that's him, Garrison. Next, I have Zombie Cow. And he's green. And he has a dirt on him. Yeah. And he has his little zombie friend. And the broken bone arm. And the eyes. And a fly as well. Like, Zebra did have some flies. Like, he has a fly here. And then Zebra had flies here. See what I mean, right? Yeah. And he is... Oh, he has a skelly sausage. But he's M20. Number 94. Zombie Cow Mighty Bean. Moose 2017. It's hard to see because that's rubbed out as well. And you will know what happened to that. That only happened to Garrison and Zombie Cow. Yeah, but that's him. Zombie Cow. Next, I have Foot Brawler. And he has this eye. What happened to him even? And his helmet. And this stuff here. Then he has a lightning bolt. And he has the MB, and you know that stands for Mighty Beans as well. Just like it was for, like, you know who I mean. They're both sons for Mighty Beans. And yeah. And he is a M70, number 64, footballer Mighty Bean. Moose 2017. And this ball here. Yeah. And his tooth fell out. And that's why there's a tooth that's gone. Yeah. And that is him. Okay. For the last Mighty Bean, I have Nastiness. Yeah. And Nastiness. And she has this lollipop. And yeah. And this thingy she's gonna hit you with. And that thing. And she is an M210, number 44. Nasty Nurse Mighty Bean, Moose 2017. That's rubbed out the 2017 part. And that's her. Next I have the Lloyd Arcade pod. Yeah, it's cool. I know, right? Okay, so first up I have a Lloyd, Digi-Lloyd. And you can change the face. I just like taking the armor off. Okay, I'll leave the armor on. And you can change this Digi face into a normal Lloyd face. And this is what he looks like with his mask on the normal Lloyd face. But I like him in his Digi face because like it matches with the Digi parts here. Yeah. And that's Digi-Lloyd. But I'm missing my sword. It went lost at my nanny's house. And I'm gonna get it back because my nanny's keeping it safe. But that's him. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so next I have, but I have to fix him first. I have Avatar Lloyd, and he cannot change his face. But this is what he looks like without it, like his mask. And yeah. And he has this hoodie at the back and stuff. And I like the gold. Yeah. And I forgot to show you something about Digi-Lloyd. But I still lost my sword at my nanny's house. I don't have to tell you that again. But in one video I'll show it again for Digi-Lloyd when he's all like this but with his sword, so you can see what the sword's like. But for this video I can't show it. Yeah, that's him. And then I have Avatar Lloyd with his bat. But I can tell you Digi-Lloyd's sword looks golden and is black, and then it has a green sword on there. Yeah, and that's them. Looks green when you look at the back. Yeah. And then the arcade pod. And yeah. Yeah, and that's it for video. Like, subscribe and share. Oh yeah.